Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in half cup of curd. Stir it well and set aside. Add 1/4 cup oil and half a cup of sugar. Mix them well. Now add the curd and mix them. Add half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 3/4 cup of maida in 2 batches. Two tablespoon cocoa powder, add little mix to adjust the consistency. Add a pinch of salt. Add the batter in 5-inch pan. It should be greased. Now pour the batter. Lightly tap it and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Till then, add roughly chopped chocolates, approximately 2 cups, and melt it over a double boiler. Now take 1 cup of heavy cream and slightly boil it over a double boiler. Pour the cream into the chocolate. Mix them well. If there are any lumps, you can reheat it over a double boiler. Once the cake is cooled, release the sides and remove it from the pan. Now whip the ganache you made earlier with the help of a whisker until it's light and fluffy. You're all done! Are you drooling over this scrumptious chocolate cake too? If yes, go make one for yourself now. Don't forget to share the love and the recipe with your loved ones. For more such intriguing recipe videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video.